Ink Editor AI Tool Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to this review of the Ink Editor AI tool. If you're interested, links to the product are conveniently added in the description below. Let's dive right into why Ink Editor stands out as one of the most effective AI-powered writing assistants available today. Ink Editor is designed for writers, content creators, marketers, and even business professionals looking to streamline their content creation process. Whether you're crafting blog posts, social media captions, ad copy, or emails, this tool provides an efficient way to generate, edit, and optimize content in minutes. One of its standout features is the AI-powered content editor. It not only helps you draft ideas from scratch, but also offers real-time suggestions to enhance readability, grammar, and tone. Need SEO-friendly content? Ink Editor integrates seamlessly with keyword tools, guiding you to rank better while maintaining quality and natural flow. Additionally, the plagiarism checker ensures all content remains original and compliant, a huge bonus for professional writers. Another highlight is the Smart Rewriter feature, which takes existing content and rephrases it in seconds. This is particularly useful for repurposing content across different platforms while maintaining uniqueness. Its collaborative functionality is a game changer for teams. You can share and co-edit documents, making real-time edits a breeze. Ink Editor was built with both simplicity and power in mind. The interface is clean and intuitive, meaning even beginners can navigate it easily without a steep learning curve. At the same time, it packs enough advanced options for seasoned professionals who need in-depth control over their content. To sum it up, Ink Editor is perfect for anyone aiming to create polished, effective, and optimized content faster. It's not just a writing tool, it's a productivity booster that adapts to your workflow. If you're serious about leveling up your writing game, this tool deserves your attention. Be sure to check the links below for more details. Thank you for watching.